Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox connection error or problem reaching servers. So there are a few steps. Follow along these steps to fix this problem. First one is to go to the run window. Press Windows plus R and this window will appear. Here you need to type percentage local app data percentage and press enter. It will direct you to this folder. From here, you need to search for Roblox. Double click on this folder and you need to go to this folder called logs. And here you need to select all these, press Ctrl plus A to select all of these files and press delete. Don't worry about deleting these folders because they are temporary. Now, after you delete all these files, close this tab and try launching your Roblox again. So, if this doesn't fix your problem, then we have next fix. Go to your control panel and make sure that you have your view by as large icons. Here, go to Network and Sharing Center. And from here, you just need to select your connected network. From me, it's Wi-Fi. So just select it and go to its properties. After that, you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties again. Here you need to select use the following DNS server under obtain server address automatically, and here type 8888 and again 8844. After that, click on OK, and now close all of these tabs and go to command prompt. For that, you need to go to your start menu, type CMD, and click on Run as Administrator. So here you need to type two commands. The first one is ipconfig paste /flush DNS. Press enter. Now the next one is netsh space winsock reset. Press enter. So after you have done both of these, close this window and restart your computer. So if this also didn't work, then it's probably because you have your VPN on. To disable, you just need to disconnect this VPN that you're using. To do this, you can just head over to Start menu and search for Settings. Open your Settings tab and go to in Network and Internet. Here you'll find VPN. You just need to disable any VPN that you have, then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one.